Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable and customize the always on display on the Honor 600 Pro. So if you want to have a screen like that where your phone is basically turned off but you still have this screen on where it's enabled but not consuming a lot of battery, I'm going to show you how to enable it. So that is always on display, and basically it lowers the refresh rate of your phone. So instead of 60 Hz, it's on 1 Hz. It dims the lights and just basically consumes much less power than just having the phone on. Well, it's not as battery friendly like having your screen turned off. It's still a lot more battery friendly than having your screen always on. So let's enable this option, and we're going to go to settings and select home screen and style, then click on always on display, and here we are going to enable this option right here. And we have a lot of different options to change, like full screen, where it's just your home screen but dimmer, and we have partial screen, where you can change things like this logo, the clock, and other pretty much things. And once you have it enabled, you can turn your phone off, and you can just tap on the screen, and it's going to wake it up like that. And here, as you can see, we are always on display right now. And that is pretty much how you enable it. That's it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.